In today's episode, we pick up on day 14 of my trip cycling across Korea. Today, I find myself in a very small town that most cyclists just skip right by, but I decide to stop and see what I can find. Annyeonghaseyo, Wonder. The room is all cleaned up, and I'm ready to head out. I hate this tan line. It's driving me crazy. I've definitely gotten a bit attached to this bike. It's gonna be sad selling it in Busan, but it is what it is. We still have like a week and a half left, so. I can certainly feel the weight of the bags again. It's heavy, but in a way, feels right. Feels like home. So used to this weight. We'll see if I'm saying that in a couple hours. I was right. That waterfall I saw when I very first came into town, it's artificial. It's off now. Normal waterfalls don't do that. God dang it. Come on, man. Kakao's got me going some crazy way. I mean, I can see where it catches up with the bike route, but first of all, I'm going through all these areas that have no bike road at all, and there's like nails on the ground, and I don't like that. And then Kakao really wanted me to go on the highway. I'm not doing that. Luckily, I looked and there's a road next to the highway that goes the exact same way. It's just off the highway. Still a bit busy. It should be a lot better. And then we'll meet up with the bike route in not too long. We're close-ish. Okay, so the route that Kakao wants us to take, we're not gonna do. It really wants us to get on the highway. I'm just using my ability to read maps to hopefully get us there. Guys, look at this bridge. Whoa, this is cool. I want to stop and film it, but this is the real road. Wow. Well, we've pretty much done it. After going across that bridge, the bike trail picks back up right up there, and we're good to go. Dun, 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 dun. This is it. We made it. Uphill, baby, let's go. Oh, and that sign says 4 Rivers. Good to be back. Have I gotten a week from spending time in the city? Dang it. Beautiful. Beautiful rice in the morning. Not many people around. I missed this while I was in the city, man. I was only there a couple days, but it's nice to be back. Once again, golden rice fields as far as the eye can see. Also, I passed a group of French guys back there. They asked me, where are you from? And I said, US. And they just go, oh, I don't know if I think maybe I just misunderstood the reaction, but it sounded kind of like, ew. Do French people not like the US? Are people from US? I probably misunderstood it, but they didn't say anything else to me after that though. Now that's beautiful, man. Guys, we're back to another uphill day. None of it's as bad as when we left Swanbo, but we're definitely going uphill. Come on, be the top. Be the peak, come on. Is it? Sometimes it tricks you, dude. It looks like it's gonna go down and then, Oh my God, it is. We made it. Oh, here we go, down the roller coaster. Oh. Pretty nice, pretty far. Wow, 7% grade for the next 500 meters? Really? Sick. Ooh, another beautiful bridge. Can't get enough. I wanted to film more on the actual bridge, but cars use it too, and like, they were flying by. I got a little nervous because there's not a lot of space for the bike. Even though I swear the sign said no cars, but I can't read it. It had a car and then a circle and then a line through it. I thought that's universal, but I don't know. Also, I haven't seen a bathroom in a while. And I gotta go. A restroom has been located out here in the middle of nowhere, but at least there's one here. Also, I love how the mountains are looking back there over the river. So gorgeous. Well, never mind. We are nearing a little town, so I'll go there. That restroom, I didn't film it. I don't even know if I can show it on YouTube. There's poop everywhere. Somebody went and they went everywhere other than the toilet. That's the first restroom I've seen like that in Korea. They're always super clean. Like I said, we're out in the middle of nowhere, so let's get to this little town. under. So that's not very fun. Got a lot of up and down here. Up and down, up and down. My legs hate me, man. I'm pushing it, I don't care. One of those guys in front of me on the last hill, he was really struggling. He almost fell. Bike like went out from under him a little bit. Scary. Luckily he caught himself. It was close though, I saw it happen. Guys, we found the Nakdong River, or Nakdong Gang Mint River. Anyway, history museum. It looks really cool and there's lots of stuff around here as well I'd love to check out. Actually, this sign says the museum's closed on Mondays. And guess what day it is? I have the worst luck right now. We have arrived at the next bridge and the next certification center, I believe. Very neat. Made it to the next certification center. We're gonna get this stamp, then check how far Gumi is, then see if I'm really hoping for a motel here or not. Let's just check. Let's just check. We're not in a rush. Well, here's all the motels. Let's see if they're all drive-in motels. Of course, it's gotta be on a freaking hill. That's one of the drive-in motels. They might all be, dude. Yep, these hotels or motels are all the same. Drive-in, self-check-in, nobody's here. I'm pretty sure I understand how it works from translating the other one, but I don't really want to stay here. They all have big hearts all over them as well. Like, clearly it's come do it here. I mean, I think most of the places I stay have been like that, but at least like there were people, I don't know why I don't like the vibe of it. Maybe it's great. All right, Gumi, let's do it. Map says it's only 58 minutes to that certification center, so can't be that bad. Hold on, there's some other hotels just across the river. I think we're gonna go over there and try to check it out. They look more normal. So there is a whole town here. Convenience stores, restaurants, motels. I just talked to a guy here. He said, not this motel. He said to go back down this way. Samchangi Motel, something like that. He was translating. So I gotta go down and turn somewhere. I don't know exactly where to go, but I'll go check it out.
1 hour later.
Well, I found a motel. They're still cleaning the room. It's been a little complicated. I'll tell you guys once I get checked in. Just had to carry myself up the stairs, pretty tired. But they let me put the bike in a room down there and have the key so I can get it tomorrow. So I didn't have to carry it all the way up here. All right, guys, you ready for the big reveal of the room? 3, 2, 1. Yep, that's it. Actually, sleeping on the ground on the mat is not that bad. That's what I did in my first Airbnb here, and I've done it other places as well. The beds in all the motels I've been staying in are hard as a rock anyway. Honestly, this might be softer. Everything here is pretty much fine. It's not a big deal. Also, it was cheaper than any of the other motels I've stayed at. It's got a fridge. The bathroom looks nice, so as long as the shower's good and I sleep well, that's all I care about. Okay, guys, I have normal towels too, but I want to know, what are these little, like, nothing towels for? I can't figure it out. They've been in every hotel, like this meshy. I don't know. I can't figure out what to do with it.
Later.
We're approaching the museum again. We're kind of at the outskirts of it now, where I saw all these walkways and parks. Guys, it's getting like summer weather here, man. I don't know if it's because I'm going more south or what. Little seats you can sit down. It's interesting. Maybe it came from in the river. I don't know. I really wish the museum was open, man. I got here at the worst time. As I walk by, I can hear little things jumping in. Splash, splash. But I never see them. Maybe it's more of those little frogs. Just passed by some random dog. He was not there earlier. He looks really dirty. There's nobody around here. I don't know where he came from. I don't know if he has an owner here somewhere or if he's escaped. He's just standing there. I don't know. Acting weird. Hope he's all right. All right, I'm headed back across the bridge. I went ahead and did a little bit of research since we couldn't go in the museum. I wanted to learn a little bit about the river. And what I found out is this huge, beautiful river, massive, is not only wide, it is the longest river in all of Korea. Han River may be the most internationally famous, I guess because it runs through Seoul and it is absolutely gorgeous, but this is longer. By how much, I don't know. And I'm curious what it's gonna look like when we get to Busan, because I believe this river will cut through Busan as well. Maybe it'll be like the Han River of Busan. So as we keep going further and further, I expect more and more things to be built up around on this river, more people hanging out near it. I mean, I really don't know. I know Busan is the second biggest city in South Korea, but I don't know what that means. Is it close to the size of Seoul? Am I gonna feel that when I get there? Or is it the second biggest, but it's a lot smaller than Seoul? I don't know. I'm really curious how it's gonna feel when we pull into Busan in, I don't know, about a week, maybe less than a week. Go Simba. Yes, Simba. Going for the kill. Found this one, and it looks old. How old? I don't know. There's a sign here. I don't know if it's gonna tell me the age though. If I'm reading that sign right that I translated, this has been here since the 1600s in some form, but has been destroyed due to different reasons and renovated many times. The last renovation was in the 90s. Current state, maybe 30 years old, 32, 33 years old, something like that. But in some form, I guess this has been here since the 1600s, which is wild. All right, I have walked all around this little town. My feet hurt. I'm at 12,000 steps. Gonna hit my step goal for today for sure. Guys, I have a serious curiosity, a serious question. Maybe somebody knows the answer. Is holding the door for other people an American thing or a Western thing? Or maybe not an American or Western thing, but only in some societies, not in others? I ask because it used to happen to me in Philippines and now it happens here as well, where if I hold the door for someone, they seem like they don't know what to do, and then nobody will ever hold the door for me. What drives me crazy, it's not just not holding the door. That's one thing. It just happened right now, and it happened 2 days ago as well, where someone will go in front of me. They definitely see me. We looked at each other. They know I'm walking in behind them. And not only do they not hold the door, they actively pull it shut as they go in. They know I'm right behind them. I don't understand why you would do that. It's so weird. And then I try to hold the door open and it's just like, they're like, what are you doing? And they like stop, like, huh? I don't know. It's just interesting.